How to set up WordPress website with GoDaddy. In this video, we're going to be talking about GoDaddy and how you can use its domains to set up your very own WordPress website. Okay, so to start things off, what you can do is when you come over to WordPress, as you are over here, what you're going to want to do, first of all, is you're going to go over to your hostings, okay? And in your hostings, you can see you get Website Builder, you get the hosting section, and you get GoDaddy Pro. Now, in the hosting section, you can specifically see they give you WordPress hosting. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to this WordPress hosting section. Now, here it says manage WordPress hosting. No worries with WordPress hosting. Reimagine your ideal website, then see it thrive with managed WordPress hosting. It's always up to date, faster than the competition, and quicker publishing with AI. And that's one of the most incredible things that this gives you is AI basically. Okay, you can get AI for your WordPress. You can also go over to WordPress e-commerce hosting. Now, if you want to create a store on WordPress, do make sure to go with the e-commerce hosting. Okay, a lot of people make this common mistake. They go ahead and get the normal kind of hosting, and then obviously it becomes an issue later on. You need to make sure to get the e-commerce hosting for yourself if you want to create a web store. Okay, so let's say in my case, I want to go ahead with WordPress e-commerce hosting. So build more store for less. With WooCommerce extensions, quickly set up your customized store only for this much, which is around $20, which is, pretty good. You get a domain and you get WooCommerce. So that's the difference basically in normal WordPress and WordPress e-commerce hosting that you get WooCommerce. So, you know, for the price you get WooCommerce by just buying it on WordPress itself, this is much better because on WordPress itself, if we go over to the plans, on WordPress itself, if you want to get WooCommerce, you're going to need at least the business plan, and the business plan, as you can see, is for $40. Okay, now that's, a lot more than what GoDaddy is offering us. So what you can do is, just buy it right away. And you can even see the features for this. Build your ideal store, with WooCommerce, which is the world's most popular open source e-commerce solution with over 50,000 WordPress plugins and 10,000 themes. You can also access free WooCommerce extensions, get premium stuff for yourself, and you can start quickly with all you need with proper streamlined setup. And WordPress is basically installed and your store is ready to go. Plus, you also get a domain, SEO optimizer, daily backups, and top-notch security. It's also better together with WooCommerce and you. Our managed WordPress e-commerce platform with WooCommerce gives you the freedom to sell anything, which is pretty cool. You can call all designers and developers to help you as well, and these are the things you get for your hosting. So you get elements and features like unlimited visitor storage and product listings for one store. You get access to free exclusive premium WooCommerce extensions, get SEO optimizers to increase traffic, daily malware scans, removal, and hack repair, one-click staging environment for testing, unlimited product listings with no transaction fees, free domain with this much value per year, free business email for the first year. You get daily backups with on-demand and downloadables, automatic WordPress core updates and security patching, free SSL installed and configured, and you also get a CDN boost for faster page load times. Now, to, basically get this for yourself, what you can moreover do is you're going to come here and you're going to click on Buy Now, okay? Now, once you click on Buy Now, it basically loads up your cart and you're going to choose your plan. So if you want a 1-month plan, a 1-month plan is 5,499 rupees, which, again, constitutes to 25 something dollars. So even if we come over here, you can see 5499 PKR into USD, barely $20. So, judging from the $20 for this and $40 for this, this is a steal because you get a domain and WooCommerce. Then you can also go with a 12-month plan, which is obviously 4,999 per month, which is obviously lesser than this. But obviously you're going with a 12-month plan, which basically means that you're basically, getting a bulk buying plan, which should be around, yeah, if you go for 12 months, it's a decent markup. It's a decent price to get for yourself. So if we go ahead and see how much 60,000 PKR into USD, again, it's $214. But if we go with this annually, we're going to go over to pay yearly. And on yearly, this is $25. So 25 into 12, that's well above $214. Well above. So, as we can see, GoDaddy gives us perfect recognitions. Now, let's say I'm going to go over to the 1 month plan. And with the 1 month plan, you don't get a professional renewed email. So do keep that in mind. Now, once this is done, you're going to go ahead and click on continue, and it's going to ask you to, create an account and everything so you can keep track of your domains and your purchases on GoDaddy. I would recommend creating an account. Okay, and once this is done, you can see it says your card. GoDaddy is a trusted growth partner to millions of everyday entrepreneurs. You're getting managed WordPress e-commerce with proper hosting for a very small markup price. Okay, so go ahead and access this for yourself, and you're pretty much set to go. You're good to go. Now, once you buy this, let me show you the features that you're gonna get. Okay, so first of all, you go ahead and get a free domain. Okay, so you can choose any of these domains for 1 year, and it's totally free. Then moving on, you have open access to your WooCommerce, where you can set up a store and start selling online. Okay, so start a store right now. And obviously, as we know, WordPress is one of the most highest used website builders out there, especially for e-commerce stores. So it's a great startup for you, and it's a great markup for the price as well. Then moving on, you can also go ahead and access plugins. You can download all these plugins for yourself. And the best part is that all these plugins are for free. Okay, you get free plans available with each of them. And they work pretty incredibly. They work pretty well. And, try them out if you want to. They work pretty cool with your e-commerce store because each plugin gives you different features. So if I were to go over to e-commerce and business, you get, different subscription payments. You get booking plugins. You get one-page checkouts. You go ahead and get additional variations and a whole lot more. So it's a pretty cool feature to have. It's a pretty good markup to have, and generally pretty fun stuff to get when you are going for hosting with this much price. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and it's a quality that you can trust for yourself when you're using GoDaddy to set up your WordPress website. And this is basically the general idea on how you can set it up. And obviously, if you don't want to go with e-commerce hostings, that's even better because that's a much cheaper plan and pricing for you. Like this much, that's barely, I'd say, $6 or $7, which is pretty cool. So, pretty amazing stuff. You get the proper hosting plan, which includes latest version of PHP. You get 99.9% uptime guarantee. You get WordPress CLI, SSH, and SFTP access. You get up to 5 free trial email accounts, temporary domain name, and you get automatic WordPress core software updates with a lot of benefits like AI, which oversees your site, CDN Boost. AI helps in publishing your website faster as well, and you get different pros that optimize your site much faster. So yeah, that is the main idea about WordPress and how you can use GoDaddy to create a WordPress website for yourself. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.